Hey friends, we are so excited to be back here at the harbor. Last time we talked about how we had gotten a facelift with the exterior paint, and now we have windows. However, so last Friday the windows were installed, and Sunday night somebody broke in, busted a window in the front of the house. So you can see behind me here that we had to go back and board up the windows. So what you can pray about this week is funds that will provide a security system for us. That's what's next, and we can't wait until these boards are off the windows. And we love being in this neighborhood. We love showcasing all that God is doing. We can't wait until we meet the guys who broke in and just share the love of Christ with them. So continue to pray for us, and thanks so much.